In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log into Hostinger Hpanel quickly and easily. Whether you're setting up a new website or managing an existing one, knowing how to navigate Hostinger is essential. Let's get started and get you logged in without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and go to hostinger.ph. Hitting enter will take you directly to the Hostinger homepage where the login process begins. Once the homepage loads, locate the login button, typically at the top right corner of the page. If the layout has changed, just scan the page carefully until you find it. Clicking on it will take you to the next step. You'll now be on the Hostinger login page. Here, enter the credentials associated with your Hostinger account. If you've signed up before, type in your registered email address and password. Double check that all information is entered correctly to avoid login issues. If you've forgotten your password, simply click the Forgot Password link to reset it securely. Hostinger will send a password reset email to your registered address, so make sure to check your inbox and spam folder. After entering your details, click the Log In button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be redirected to your Hostinger account dashboard, commonly referred to as the Hpanel. The Hpanel is the administrative hub where you manage all aspects of your hosted websites. Familiarizing yourself with this space is key to effectively using Hostinger's features. Inside the Hpanel, you can handle domain settings, manage files, adjust server configurations, and perform a wide range of administrative tasks. Everything is designed to be approachable, even if you're new to web hosting. Spend a few minutes exploring the layout to understand where each tool and setting is located. You'll also notice quick shortcuts for popular tools like email management, certificates, and one-click WordPress installations. Using these shortcuts can save time and streamline your workflow. Additionally, Hpanel allows you to monitor your website's performance, view bandwidth usage, and check security logs to ensure everything is running smoothly. A few tips to ensure a smooth login experience. Check your internet connection if you run into trouble. Make sure Caps Lock isn't accidentally enabled when entering your password, and regularly update your password while storing it securely, ideally in a password manager. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Hostinger Hpanel. If you plan to access it frequently, consider bookmarking the login page for faster access next time. With your Hpanel ready, you can start managing your hosting services efficiently and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more confident navigating Hostinger. Remember, their support team is always available if you need extra assistance. Happy web hosting!